When inflation went up to 5.4% in September last year, people were already worried. For good reason. The Fed and the government insisted inflation is transitory and should go back to the usual 2%. But fast forward to now in December, it's 7%. It's sending prices of goods to the stratosphere, and it's not just food and oil that's going up in cost. Things like furniture, cars, televisions, and other imported goods are going up too. It seems like we're now being forced to walk to our destination, ditch our cars, sleep on the floor instead of be able to get a mattress because the prices have gone up. COVID-19 has shut down factories in Asia and slowed U.S. port operations, leaving container ships anchored at sea and consumers and businesses paying more for goods that may not arrive for months. This may also lead that the Fed will slow down in their $120 billion a month in bond purchases. As a result, longer-term interest rates will shoot up. If you're planning to buy a property, you may want to do it before it hits 6, 7, 8%. Higher prices are also outstripping the pay gains many workers are able to obtain from businesses, which are having to pay more to attract employees. Average hourly wages rose 5% last year, but inflation was 7%. I would laugh if I'm saying I'm frustrated for a lot of people, especially for elderly Americans who rely on Social Security checks. Their benefits rose by 5.9%, but I don't know where they're going to make up that. If inflation's 7%, where are they going to make that 1.1% difference? And even worse, that 7% in fact is manipulated to keep inflation figures low and not lose basically investor confidence. Even the hospitality industry has jacked up their prices because things are being perceived to return to normal. They need to recover their losses, so they're increasing prices from airfare to hotels. Used car prices are up 3.5%. Prices for household furniture, which has faced major shipping delays, jumped 2.4%. Restaurant owners are paying higher salaries to lure workers who have been elusive in the pandemic, and they're paying more for food. The cost of a meal at a full-service restaurant has jumped by 5.2% since last year. And experts are saying the price per gallon for gas will not be far off at $5, maybe $6. I could go on and on, but the message won't change. Inflation is not transitory, and it's higher than what the government is telling us. Social Security and other investment payouts isn't enough to cover our needs. You need to invest in a hedge to freeze the value of your funds. Get into gold. It's the only asset that retains their values for hundreds of years. The value of your $1 million today in gold will be the same when you retire. Call us and we'll explain the details to you. We're not going to force you to invest. We just want you to know more about why billionaires consider owning gold as a huge part of their portfolio. Call us 877-646-5347.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.